recommend everybody to come to Bohol. It's a very nice
Wow.
island, and above all, the region of Anda is very beautiful. It's not a lot of visitors, so come here if you are looking for natural experience. And come to Alice Mountains. It's very beautiful landscape. I would recommend.
Oh,
And
okay.
come with Joel. It is a very nice guide.
Yeah. And see, I told about the name of that is Binabaji. It's a girl. And I forgot the last month, another visitor. I forgot I told about this place is a gay because the guy riding on what the name in your country? Like cow.
La Vaca.
Baka. Yeah. But she's ride like a girl, but that's why they called here is like a gay Binabaji, like Binabaji Hills. That's the name of this area, the panoramic. So that's the road. Yeah. Okay. And that's the race house and the small parish and the ocean also. Yeah. And this time you live in Andas, you stay
Yeah,
in
I'm staying in Anda town.
and you already 5 days, you told me
Yeah,
later.
in Bohol I had been for 6 days.
What another place you told me later?
I was before in Tagbilaran.
Tagbilaran.
To visit Chocolate Hills and the Tarsier Sanctuary.
Tarsier Sanctuary.
Tarsier Sanctuary and waterfalls. It's very nice there. Then I was in Panglao,
Panglao.
the bit busy area.
Yeah. and your next destination today is Mercoles.
Yeah, I go later from here. When we are done, I go to the rice fields.
Rice field in
Kangantan.
Kandihay, and
Yeah,
the name
the
is
water.
Kanumantad. Kanumantad. Do you know the Kanumantad is that the name is Kanumantad is Kanuman is like 60 metros.
60.
Yeah, Kanumantad. Kanumantad. So its mean is Kanuman unom. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. So 60 feet Kanumantad. That's why the pulls down is 60 feet if I am correct. So that's why Kanumantad Falls. And the cold spring is 3 park, rice terraces and Kanumantad Falls and cold spring, but very near. Yeah,
we
one
go
later. After this trekking here in mom, what's your name, mom, again? Irene. So shout out for the family in Spain. So thank you, maraming salamat sa pagbisita diri sa mua. So Bisaya, thank you, maraming salamat if you come here in panoramic.
Thank you.
So sis, what the destination is Camiguin. So Cagayan and the ocean of Cagayan, you see, is very far away. Yeah, and that's the part of Anda. She stay here there today. Last night.
These 2 nights.
2 nights.
2-3 nights.
Yeah. So very thankful and very nice to meet you, ma'am.
Yeah, nice to meet you, Noel.
Okay. So maraming salamat. Say hi.
Yeah, bye-bye. Come here, everybody.
Okay. That's the interview for my visitor. And maraming salamat. Inimita ko kayo na manonood sa ating video sa YouTube channel, Boy Healthy Diet Mix Vlog. Follow my channel for the next video. Okay.